Surbhi. Welcome to IDP. I'll take you to one of our US counselors.
Hi, I'm Ankit. I'm looking for a graduation degree in computer engineering from the US.
I am Jayatanuj. I am the US counselor.
Okay.
Surely I will help you with that.
Thank you.
IDP India has been the undisputed leader and preferred service provider amongst higher education bound students for Australia for over 15 years. Comprising of a team of certified and trained counsellors, IDP is focused on having the student at the centre of all our processes. IDP has the largest geographical presence across India and enjoys direct relations with a large number of local institutions.
Today, 40% of the students that go for higher education to Australia go through IDP.
In October 2009, IDP India was audited by the AIRC as part of the certification process. In January 2010, IDP India became the first among the IDP network to open the doors for USA-bound students to experience the best-in-class counselling services that will leave them better placed. So what makes IDP different and better?
So Ankit, which program are you planning for?
I am looking for a graduation degree in computer engineering. The core subject will be selected later.
So any specific reasons for selecting USA as a study destination?
Yeah, I'm looking for global exposure actually. So tell me, how can IDP help me with the whole process?
Okay, once you provide us the profile form, the counsellor will take 48 hours to completely analyze the options which will suit your profile perfectly, and will provide the information to you.
I will be your counselor. See, studying in the US can cost you somewhere between $20,000 to $30,000 US, and you should be sure who intends to fund your education before starting up the process with the US institution.
I'll take some loan from bank.
Okay.
Then my parents will also help me.
We provide complete assistance in terms of applying through the universities, selecting universities according to your preference. In addition to that, we'll give you the list of universities and we'll discuss over it. Our turnaround time is very quick, and we'll tell you what kind of questions can be asked during the visa interview.
Based on these detailed assessments, highly trained counsellors help students understand the US education system and guide them through all the crucial steps. University and program selection, guidance on admission tests, application submission and receiving the offer, submitting relevant documents to secure I-20, preparation of documents to apply for student visa, and helping with the visa process. Pre-departure orientation to help students to study and live in the US.
We will give you a snapshot of US higher education, and we'll tell you exactly the process that you have to follow to reach the destination of your choice, to go to the school of your choice, right? At IDP, what we are doing constantly is to making Indian students aware of the various opportunities in the United States. So on a very regular basis, we hold subject-specific seminars. They are looking at options related to good programs and institutions, just rather than going by geographical locations.
IDP is constantly looking for new and innovative ways to reach out to a wider market. Exhibitions and recruitment fairs across India ensure greater visibility and on-the-spot personalized counseling.
Looking for a short-term course
in US.
can I help you?
Well, I'm planning to do my MBA from the US. Can you guide me through the whole process?
Sure. Have your name?
Gaurav.
Gaurav, can I request you to fill up this form? So I'll enter your name in my database and then we'll give you a call. You'll receive a call from IDP.
Besides participating in leading third-party education fairs, IDP also organizes in-house recruitment fairs. These fairs annually draw over 70 Australian clients and over 3,000 students from across India. IDP's first US education exhibition and admission program is scheduled for September 2010.
IDP has a presence across all the 4 parts of India's northeast, west and south, and there are many more cities that we have identified. So along with the training that we have invested in and the investments that we are doing in developing very innovative marketing tools to reach out to students, we believe that we will be able to rapidly grow our presence in the US bound market.